Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Creative Canvas. In this video, we are going to see how to make paper dolls part 2, in which we are going to make the hairs of the paper doll. So before starting the video, make sure you subscribe for such more videos and like the video if you like the method I'm using, and share it with your family and friends so they can also make paper dolls at home. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, we'll need a A4 sheet and a paper doll. So these here are going to be the front hair, the bangs. That's why I'm keeping the length short. Now we're going to trace the size of the head, and of course we're going to cut the extra length because we're not going to cover the whole face. Otherwise, what's the point of the face if it's covered with hair, right? So you can cut them as you want. So yeah, we'll keep the short length only. If you want, you can keep more shorter length. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the paper but leaving the area. We're not going to cut from the exact same line because we have to tape it so that we can remove the wig when we are doing the makeup or other stuff on the paper doll. So we are going to overline and cut. We're not going to cut from the exact line. Keep this in mind, don't cut from the exact line, otherwise when you will stick it or tape it, it will be shorter in length, and you don't want that, right? So this is my old paper doll hair. So these here are also going to be something like this. Of course, I'm going to cut them differently, but yeah, these are the back hairs. Now we're going to make the back hairs. These looks like something this on the doll. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the back hairs. So before starting making the back hairs, keep that in mind, you have to overline and cut. We're going to keep this aside. Now we're going to make the back hairs. So when we are using the same A4 sheet, now what we're going to do is we're going to mark the length, how much long we need the hairs. I usually stick it from the middle of the ear, so I'm taking from the middle of the ears. That is not clearly shown in the camera frame. And now I have traced the neck size, that how much it is going to be shown. Now I'm going to with the help of scale, I'm going to make straight lines. And for second part also, I'm going to take the size of this one and make another one like the exact same. Like this is something of 5 centimeter, so I'm going to make the next one of same width as 5 centimeter. Now we're going to cut them. There is no need to overline in these because they can easily stick without overlining also. So don't need to overline this. Now I'm meet you guys after cutting the both. I've cutted all the pieces. Now I'm going to color them. You can use any color you want, pencil or watercolors. I'm using this Camlin watercolor tubes. You can use any type of colors you want, pencil colors, watercolors. I'm doing brown hairs because I already have black hairs, so I'm trying brown hairs. You can try any type of hair, red hairs, yellow hairs, any type you want. Now meet you guys after coloring them all. I have colored them all, and now we're going to wait until they dry. Now all the hairs are dry. Now we are going to cut them, and I'm going to show you guys how to cut them. So let's start with this piece. They are really easy to cut. So yeah, you can easily cut them. If you are a child, use safety scissors, not the big ones. Now I'm going to cut all of them, then meet you guys. Now as I have cut all of them, now I'm going to show you guys how to apply them on the paper doll. So these are the front hairs like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip, and now we're going to tape it with the help of a tape, of course. And keep in mind, press nicely so it's like stick to like all the three layers, like how I am doing it. Like all the three layers, it is pressed nicely so it will not like get teared up. So yeah, tape it nicely and done. So it will look something like this. Of course you can cut them however you want. Now we're going to tape the back hairs. It is really easy, we just need to tape it. Just put tape on the upper side and then just tape it. It's like super easy to remove also. Done. So yeah, I'm going to like show you how to cut. I have actually posted a short how I have cutted the doll here. If you want, you can watch it in my channel. So yeah, you can cut it however you want. You can curl the hair if you want, but yeah, keep in mind if you are curling the hair, so paint on both sides. Of course it's also going to be shown. I always keep my paper doll's hair straight, but yeah, if you want a video on how to curl paper doll hair, tell me in the comments. And yeah, so I hope you like this part as well as the first part. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for such more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching and meet you guys in my next one.